A cute kitten play ringing ball and it responds to the sound. Welcome back to another video of Meows. Today we're going to play balls with cute kitten Joeyon. Maybe you all already know about Joeyon's eye condition. He has lost one of his eyeball completely, but the other one is still there, but we believe it cannot see perfectly, maybe blur or equivocal. But Joeyon's still a kitten who are normally very active and like to play. We have seen him playing every day, and it turned out that his favorite game is playing with a ringing ball. Whenever he hears ringing of the ball, he responds faster than when he doesn't hear the ringing. I guess his sense of hearing more sensitive than his sense of seeing. Look how he responds to the sound. He would know where the ball is after he hears the ringing of the ball. We love to see him play happily like the other ordinary kitten. And we like to share how cute he is with all of you through this video. We personally see and play with Joeyon every day, so we can learn from him. The first one, that there is no difficulty that cannot be overcome. We saw how he's suffering through his illness, and in the end, he was the only one who was able to survive. He overcomes his difficulties with struggle. Second one, we have to accept ourselves as we are, not make our shortcomings as obstacle for us to move forward. Like Joeyon, he is not constrained by his imperfect vision, but he maximizes his hearing to play and live his everyday life happily. And look at him now, how cute he is when he plays, alone or with his mother. I think we can also be like Joeyon. Don't make our shortcoming as a barrier. I hope all of us can move forward and be successful person. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys will enjoy this video and continue to support Joeyon and the others Meows cat. Thank you very much guys, and don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification on, share and like our video. See you!